So I was like, I'm the star of Transformers. Huge summer blockbuster, remember? I ain't gonna do no guest spot on According to Jim. This is bullshit.
We're unspottable. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, I'm totally spotted on this trailer. Holy shit, that's black. What logbook? I gotta go spot something. Oh fuck, I broke it. Holy shit, that's heavy, but I got this. I hope Blaine didn't see that. Yeah, it's supposed to do that, it's doing a burn. Spotswell's my middle name. I got a permit. Matter of fact, I got two, it's so heavy. Do you have something that needs spotted? Today we'll be headed out to Strachan, Alberta to rig out a bunch of frac equipment, mostly just 400 barrel tanks and a bunch of rig mats, and a couple flowback tanks, the odd little piece here and there. Strachan's located a little bit southwest of Rocky Mountain House on Highway 752.
Inside. 200 over bumps to crest. 150 over bumps to jump. And 50 jump 120. Small crest 200. Okay, left narrows. Long medium right. 30 turn hairpin left right, stop inside.
By the power of Grayskull.
Alright. Yeah, how's that working out for you?
Alright, it's nice to see that it's nice and dry here. Last time it was a complete pus hole. So we're going to grab this rig tank, throw it out of the way by this line pipe, and then we're going to commence. We'll pull over all these 400s and set them up for a double suck.
Rock on!
For those that don't know what the double sucking is, so we put one 400 barrel in line with another, and then we use a chain in the middle, and then you just winch it on your trailer, and away you go.
Oh goddamn, I thought it was two prostitutes sucking you off at once.
Come on now, get your mind out of the gutter, this is just clean work.
Okay, sorry.
So these ones here are acid tanks. They're especially glass lined. We have to stuff them on the trailers. We're not allowed to double suck them just because some people are a little rough and it chips the lining inside and breaks it apart. Costs the company lots of money.
I just lost my job to a goddamn robot.
Good times. Alright, day 2 will consist of, we're just going to stack up all these mats and I'm going to take a load back to town and that'll be it for today. Just in case if anybody's wondering exactly, these are 8 feet wide by 40 feet long mats. They're pretty generic and common across Alberta, but if you're in a different part of the world, they might be different. Alright, so I'm basically just going to load up these mats. I'm not going to show the whole event because we've already did the drive there and back twice, now 4 times. So I'm just going to load these up and that'll be it.
over bumps to crest. 150 over bumps to jump. And 50 jump 120. Small crest 200. Long K left narrows.
Summer skies with these clouds are just the best. Alright, so we're going to unload these 400s real quick. We're going to stuff all the other tanks that the other 2 trucks brought in. We're going to put them on the cleaning pad as well, and I'm just going to toss a few around in the yard for the guys. We put all the tanks, there's a bunch of 8x40s that are pretty much rotted out and no good anymore, strung across the back of the tanks here. We'll put the tanks on there so they lay at an angle so it's easier for the vac truck when he comes to clean them out. Everything will flow to the front, making his job super easy. So here I'm just going to stand one of these tanks up. It's just pretty simple. You stab her in the ground and you just back up and winch down at the same time. If you have live hydraulics, maybe some of you don't understand this, but you can winch and drive at the same time because the pump is run off the front crank, not the tranny like a T800. In layman terms, that means the C500 is fucking awesome and the T800 is a piece of shit. Don't get it all twisted. I had many of T800s and I've had to struggle through life with every kind of winch that's out there. So I've had them all. But I function pretty normally under any circumstances because it's the spot bug.
Robot in the house. Word up.